I am listening to the Zomboy Sudden Death remix, Biterz, dude, and I'm just loving the hi-hats. I want to show you guys how to make some hi-hats like this. I kind of recreated this little intro here. Now, Sudden Death is definitely doing a lot compared to the original. If you listen to what I did now. These hats, this is what I want to show you. Basically, hi-hat rolls are really important. I would do this a lot when I was going to audio school. I would be making beats for all kinds of rappers and making these hi-hat rolls, and we use different timing. So first, you just load up a closed hi-hat. For example, any closed hat. Type in closed hat, you can look around. And usually something tight, small, like something like this, is really good and clean. We are using a sampler, but you could really pitch these hats to your liking and also go in the transposition settings in your sampler to pitch them too. Then the speed, the rhythm. So we can see how fast I'm going. As soon as the snare hits at the 0.3, we start these rolls. And you see we change speeds here. So this first speed follows this faster speed. Then we go slower and then back fast. I can put like all these MIDI and all this MIDI information that you guys can use for the future. I'll just put it in my Patreon. You guys can have this extra MIDI for your hi-hats. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is a 4-bar selection. And I use Command B to whip out the pencil tool. I'll find C3, which is right here. You see I can just write. Now, if you look at how Sudden Death did it, he went super fast to 32nd. Then he uses triplets, 8th triplets. He goes to 16th triplets. So we're going to be using regular timing and our triplet timing. And we want to do similar. At the top right of Ableton 12, you'll be able to see the speed. Bottom right for earlier versions of Ableton. Essentially now we can draw in. Let's go ahead and listen to the beat first and kind of work around the snare, which is at the 0.3. Cool, so this is going 1/16th in speed, but if I use Command 1 and Command 2, I can actually change the speed. So let's go 30 seconds. I'm going to click again. I can actually click again and delete. Click here and drag. Nice, so now we have the first section. Now we need some 8th triplets, so we hit Command 3 to access our triplet grid. Boom. Then Command 1 and 2 will still get us different grid sizes. We're going to go 1/8 T, and we're going to make it go a little bit slower right here. We're going to go to the next 0.3. So everything's switching around these downbeats, which is 1, 1.3, 2. Then we want to speed it up. So it's at 1/8 T. We're going to hit Command 1, go to 1/16th T, click and drag easily. 1/32nd is where we're going to go to, and we're going to hit Command 3 to get out of triplet. Click, drag. It's all coming together. And then now 1/8 T, hit Command 3, hit Command 2, and we'll get back here. One more. Command 1 will get us to 1/16th triplet, and then boom. Nice. And remember, all of it's just working around the claps. We also have this ARP that's going in the background. D# ARP. I made this in Omnisphere. This MIDI will be here too. So lots of different background elements are helping us, like the respace, the chords, some 808. It's all going to be in D sharp. So you see this is +1, D going up to D sharp. Then we just start to add those hi-hats in there. And of course the clap, the thing on the 0.3 is the most important. This is keeping our rhythm and our groove here. All together. We also have this kick right here. Now, one of the main things we're doing around the stereo image is not using the auto pan, but manually automating the automation of our panning. So let's look at this here. You can see I even did some curves. So on these super fast 30-second notes, we go up and down. You can basically get these curves here. You see insert shape curve. You can start making this curve, hold shift, and you can like move it like this. You see that's like how I kind of did. And you can even go down to, so you can start to modify these curves and do some really unique panning with the fast sections. So we're going 8 right up to 37 right, down to 35 left. You can look at it right here too. Super sick. Cool. Now let's make some more. So now you can just randomly freestyle. You know, in your songs, you're going to be randomly freestyling with your hats. So we're going to listen and just start writing them in as we feel is right. We're going to do the same 0.3, always working around that snare. I'll go super fast. Maybe slow it down. Go triplet now. Maybe I'll go slow and then fast. Ooh, I kind of like that. And then we'll go fast again out of triplets. Maybe right here. Maybe start going fast again, 16ths. Switch it up to triplets, 16th triplets. Let's just try this. Maybe copy these, put them over here. I'm holding Option and clicking and dragging to do what I just did there. Nice. So we'll call this MIDI 2. Actually, I'll call it hi-hat rolls 2. I'll put this whole project in the Patreon, as well as these little mini information will be for the lower tier subscribers, so you can get these easy rolls, put in your own hat and your sampler and get to moving. I'm going to start slow now. So maybe go triplet, 1/8 T. Maybe I'll do some like bursts too, like add a triplet, fast bursts. Maybe they'll just end at the halfway point. This. Just little bursts of hats. We'll go back to triplet. That 1/8 T feels real nice. And we'll probably go all the way. Maybe speed it up in this little section. Then maybe go back to the triplets. One more right here. And then try a new speed, maybe Command 3, some 30-second triplets. We haven't even seen these ones yet. We'll just throw them in real quick. And then just bring it on back to 8th Ts. You know we love me some 8th T. Ooh, it went pretty fast. So the 30 seconds, we'll have it go 30 seconds for a little bit and then start to slow back down to 16ths and slow back down to 8ths. That might be cool right there. Let's try that. I like that. All right, that'll be number 3. We're gonna go ahead and make a number 4. So we're doing a lot of triplets. Let's do a little bit more regular timing in this one. So maybe like a little bit of bouncies. Then we'll go back to triplets after we went regular, just for a little bit. Maybe go back regular. We're gonna go super fast here probably, so we're gonna speed it up. Click, drag, overwrite. I accidentally got a little bit too much. Ooh, maybe do a little bounce right here. Okay, triplet bounce right here. Triplet bounce. They never knew till they knew during the no. Ooh, okay. And then we're going to delete these. Start, maybe do... Then like maybe bursts of this triplet. This triplet, yeah. So we're like, might be cool. Add a trip, back in here. Command B. Maybe bounce. This might get a little bit extra. We got some hi-hat rolls. Hi-hat rolls would not be hi-hat rolls if you didn't have like pitched down variation. So make it a fast one like this. Maybe pitch down. And a lot of times you'll really just run an 8th note. So like the 8th note is the most common. So this would be like the standard, and then you can just like start drawing in fast rhythm. So let's check this. It's like at different sections, I'll just start drawing in. So like on down beats, or maybe right before the snare, for example. So you can listen how these sound. Maybe go slower. Go fast again here. And then now we really want to start to incorporate some of this pitch. So like we'll pitch these down. And this is what they do, you know, in all the trap instrumentals, all the trap beats. Sometimes they'll pitch down crazy. Then we can just bust it super fast, right at the end or something. Let me go for slow triplets. Cool. Dun, 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 dun. Nice. Easy hi-hat rolls. Just like that. That's how we're going to get it done. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I would love to help. Thank you guys for watching. Keep on making them fire beats and keep it moving and grooving. Peace out. Later.
I'll give you the walk. Face it, boy. You know that I got that clock. She had to live and I gave her $2.